Hello everybody, the last mix for 2024 of the Fast and Furious Premium series is here and I'm going to unbox a case and you can decide if this set is better than the previous ones. We have two new castings, a repeat and one casting I was waiting to see in the premium treatment. Let's do the unboxing. Starting with the repeat, the Ford F-150 Lightning featuring the Fast and the Furious movie, one that we have seen in the previous Boulevard case unboxing video, and that was a better version of it. We talked about it, so no need to repeat myself, but if you hear Fast and Furious and Ford F-150, then it's this version, the same in all releases. Actually, the different versions were in the other premium series it has appeared, like the Car Culture Hyper Haulers and the one we talked about it in the previous video, Boulevard Mix 4. As this is a repeat, most of you have seen it already, so let's move on to the next. Number 2 is the Nissan 180 SX Type X featuring the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift, and things are getting better already. Released in 2015 and designed by Dmitry Shakhmatov, this is a JDM car that is very clean. Not like you just got it out of the washer, but it has stock colors, simple most of the times, without crazy decals and liveries, but I think collectors enjoy it just like this. Not too many releases in the premium series, it's very shy, it wants to stay in the basics, but this year has gone crazy, because you probably know this one is a super treasure hunt, one that if you haven't found it in the stores, then you must pay some very high prices to have it in your collection. This variation is looking amazing, love those wheels, and I would like to see them on many other castings, same size and with all the premium details on it. I'm happy about this one being in a Fast and Furious series, although I don't actually remember it from the movie, and I have seen that movie at least 3 times since its release. The first premiere of the set, Chevy Caprice, featuring Furious 7, and this is another clean casting and exact theme for today, so I hope you enjoy stock, simple colors on your Hot Wheels cars. There were sneak peeks of this casting, especially if you watch Lamley videos when he talks with different designers, so you probably knew about it before it appeared in the set. I don't actually remember it from the movie, but it looks great. A very nice casting, and it will be very interesting to see it in future releases, probably with some liveries and decals on it. I always love to see your opinion about it, actually about all the cars in general, that's why we have the comments section on the videos. Let's talk about them. The Caprice had a very long life being produced by General Motors for more than 30 years, and while it's almost impossible to see it in an European country, I'm sure US collectors can see it very often. Probably the best casting of the set, Bentley Continental GT3, featuring the Fate of the Furious, that being Fast and Furious 8th movie. Such an awesome casting, looks amazing with those huge wheels, huge spoiler in the back, the colors, the car itself with such interesting details and color variation. The issue with it among collectors is that this is the race version, that's what the GT3 stands for, and in the movie we had the regular, street version, but in the same decals and colors. We even have on the packaging that this is the race inspired version, but some collectors didn't agree with this, but it is what it is. I'm guessing that Hot Wheels had a tooling for this one already, it has been used in the main lines, and they would have needed a different one for the street version. Or maybe a licensing issue? I don't know, I don't think they have done this with any other models from the Fast and Furious series so far. With all that said, I am happy with it. I enjoyed it in the mainline since it premiered in 2020, made its debut in the premium series this year with the Car Culture Race Day set. Unboxing coming soon on this channel, so make sure you're subscribed to see it. Another design by Ryo Asada, one that's going to stay in my collection for a long time, and looking forward for more premium variations. Last casting of the set, also the second premiere, the Toyota FJ Cruiser featuring Fast X, Fast and Furious 10. Another one that I don't remember in the movie, it has been a few years since I saw the movies, and besides the iconic cars, I don't know the other ones. This is a very cool casting, a retro-styled SUV marketed by Toyota until 2022. My camera doesn't do justice, but the black color looks so good on it, black rims with treads, details everywhere, even mirrors, and you know how much we miss those on the premium Hot Wheels cars. Another one spotted in the sneak peeks, but you know how things change, so it's nice to see it in the production. Designer is Ronald Wong, and I am looking forward to see this one in other releases, unless they're going to repeat this one again and again and again and again. That's the last Fast and Furious premium mix of the year, only one repeat and 2 new castings. I say it's a successful case overall. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this case unboxing, happy collecting and have a great rest of the day.